Yes. So let me explain once again the same program. This program is for, initially we have used this integer a, and the value of a is written like this. If we are running this program, this will produce you correct output. Why? Why? Because the size of integer is very high. Okay. Maybe it is, suppose if you want to see the size of integer, then you just need to write size of followed by integer. Okay, it will give you size, how many bytes are there. So if I'm running this program, it will give me the size of integer. So this is 4 byte. Okay, 4 byte long means 2 to the power 32. Whatever value of 2 to the power 32 is there, anyone is able to calculate the value of 2 to the power 32 in unscientific calculation? Yes.
Yes, sir. 41,94,304.
Okay.
Sir, I got 42949670.
This is the answer, no? Okay. सो मैंने यहाँ पर ये लिख दिया है, ये वैल्यू मैक्सिमम वैल्यू है। इससे बड़ी वैल्यू यदि मैं लेता हूँ इंटीजर की, इफ आई एम टेकिंग बिगर वैल्यू देन दिस, इफ आई एम पुटिंग 0 एंड suppose I am not giving the sign also here. Okay, so this is the number, and then what will be the answer? Because I had put a long modifier here, so let me delete this also and let us write a. So what is the value of this a? This is 0. Why this is 0? Because it is not taking, it is not able to get the answer. Fine. So if I am removing this 0, this is the answer of 2 to the power 32. This also give you some minus value, maybe minus value. Let me check. Okay, it is also giving us 0. And what is the value divided by 2? So that is 2 to the power 31. Okay, so let me write 2 to the power 31. 2 to the power 31 will give us this value. So if I am writing this value also, why this is coming? Because this is signed integer. Okay, and maximum value is its range, integers range. Here in this particular case, the integers range is 2 to the power 31. Okay, minus में आपने लिखा minus 2 to the power 31 followed by so many numbers, then 0, and followed by so many numbers, and the last number is plus 2 to the power 31. Okay, and this 31, and whatever result is there, okay, whatever result is there, minus 1. Okay, ये हमारे पास कन्वर्शन है, क्योंकि यदि 32 बिट है तो आप मैक्सिमम क्या लिख सकते हैं? मैक्सिमम क्या लिख सकते हैं यदि आप लिखना चाहेंगे तो? मैं आपको दूसरी चीजें दिखाता हूँ, है ना। बाइनरी में ये नंबर हमने लिया बिन देखिए, the binary of this number is 0 and followed by so many ones are there. Okay, after that there is one more 0 will be coming. If you are counting, this number, actually all the zeros are there. Let me write one number lesser, then it will all the one. Okay, so what is special about this? And yeah, तो कहाँ दिया था वो नंबर? हाँ, ये नंबर आप लोग को दिखाई दे रहा है, ये मैंने आप लोगों के सामने कॉपी किया है और पेस्ट किया है। इसको बताने के पीछे रीजन ये है कि क्यों कोई भी नंबर इससे बड़ा हम यूज नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, व्हाई वी आर अनेबल टू यूज एनी नंबर bigger than this. So this value is 2 to the power 31 minus 1. Okay, this value is 2 to the power 31 minus 1. So ये नंबर है, आप इसको काउंट कीजिए, मैं एक एक मिटाते जा रहा हूं, काउंटिंग आप ध्यान से देखिएगा। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31. Agree or not?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
yes. तो आपके पास जो मेमोरी सिस्टम है ना, उसमें या तो 1 स्टोर कर सकते हैं या 0। 1 स्टोर करने का मतलब है उसके अंदर चार्ज है, और 0 स्टोर कर रहे हैं मतलब उसके अंदर चार्ज नहीं है। ठीक है, तो मेमोरी में जो सेल्स होती है, उन सेल्स में यू कैन पुट जीरोस और 1। सो इन जीरोस और 1 को जब हम बाइनरी के इक्विवेलेंट डेसिमल नंबर निकालेंगे ना, तो हमारे पास नंबर आता है। अब देखो, रेंज की बात करनी है, तो यदि आप इंटीजर यूज करते हैं, इफ यू आर यूजिंग इंटीजर, I am using both the language. Okay, if anyone is having any objection related with I am using Hindi little bit, so please stop me there. I will speak in English only. Fine. तो यहाँ पर क्या कर रहे हैं, if you are using the number, what is the number? The number is 2 to the power 32. How this 2 to the power 32 is coming into existence? It is coming into existence when I had checked the size of integer. So size of integer is coming as 4 byte. Okay, 4 byte. 4 byte means 8 multiplied by 4 will give you 32. It means 32 places are there. In 32 places you can write any number starting from 0 to last 1111. Okay, but whenever you are writing sign number, then how do you write sign number? So if you are dividing this number from if you are able to divide this number, let me show you the whole thing. Yes, better to use board. Till now this is understandable to you? So this board is there and I am showing you why this is coming. Clear the board. Where is clearing option? Okay, no, don't use this clear option. Yeah. So आप फेयर टर्म पॉलिसी को यूज करना चाहते हो, the size is 2 to the power 32. It simply means that there are 32 boxes. Okay, 32 boxes. So these are 32 boxes. Just I am saying, if 32 boxes are there and one box is used for sign, one box is used for sign. Suppose plus is represented by 0 and minus is represented by 1. Okay, I am going major concept behind this after this, but now just tell me, if अब कितने boxes बन गए आपके पास, कितने boxes बचे हैं? If these whole number is the whole number of boxes are 32, 31 बचे हैं आपके पास।
31.
ओके, अब
Yes,
इस
sir, 31.
31 बचे हैं, नो प्रॉब्लम। नाउ क्या क्या नंबर आप लिख सकते हो? तो नंबर आप लिख सकते हो 0, दिस 0 is for sign. Okay, 0
31.
0 and followed by 31 zeros. Okay, agree or not? Total number of 31 zeros आप लिख सकते हो। First number will be 31 zeros. This 32nd zero is sign, so it says that plus 0 is there. Agree or not? Yes or no? जिन लोगों ने बाइनरी तक पढ़ लिया है, आज तक तो सबने पढ़ ही लिया है, तो कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है। अब मैंने 1 लिखा और इसके बाद खूब सारे 0 लिखे, ये कितने लिखे? टोटल 31 0. ओके, सो दिस इज अवर 31 0. तो क्या आप ऐसा बोलते हैं, ऐसा कह सकते हैं कि दिस इज -0? How many of you are agree with this? कितने लोग ऐसा कह सकते हैं कि -0 नाम की चीज होती है? कोई तो बोल दो. If anyone is there, how many of you are agree with this term -0 will be there?
Not agree, sir.
Not agree, completely disagree. That is why, okay, I am just showing you low level concept which is understandable to you. So now you are agree that you can use 0 is one number and last number is what? 0 followed by 31 ones. Okay, in positive domain, what are the number? 0 followed by 31 zeros. Okay, I'm not able to write so many zeros, but this is for plus, and last positive number will be in the same domain is 111 and 1111 30 times 1. So what is the answer of this? If you are calculating 31 binary number, so the answer will be your, this is the answer. Okay, the answer will be, so this number is starting from 0, positive number we can write here 0 2 0 2 2 1 4 7 4 8 3 6 4 7. मैंने अभी आप लोगों को दिखाया है 31 1 की मीनिंग. ओके, अब आप देखिए इस तरफ नेगेटिव 0 तो हो नहीं रहा है ना, दिस साइड नो नेगेटिव 0. सो आपके पास जो लास्ट नंबर नेगेटिव आ रहा है ना, this is 2 1 4 7 4 8 3 6 4 7, and one more negative number will be coming due to this is extra. So now I can write this number as -214 748 3 648. So this is our last number. So whenever we are following 32-bit number range, so 32-bit number range is from -214 748 3 648 20 to, because this 0 is in positive domain, that's why one number is one number is less than the negative number, and now the final positive number is 2147 483647. Clear? Any doubt? Yes.
No,
Don't
sir.
calculate. Yes. Is it
No,
clear?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It's clear, na? So if you have, because these are the container and these containers are known as memory cells. Okay, these containers are known as memory cells, and inside that you cannot store 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. You can only store 10 10 10, and it will shown in equivalent decimal number. Now because we are having the number also, so let us see in the program blocks. Okay, this is our number and this is written in this will give you 0 because it is 4 byte. But whenever you are writing long integer, okay, whenever you are writing long integer a equals to this will definitely compile, but there may be answer may be 0. Why this 0 is coming? The reason is simple, that this is the last number, and if you are writing 5 then this answer is not incorrect, क्योंकि आपने 0 का एक नंबर तो यूज नहीं किया. तो हमेशा पॉजिटिव साइड पे लास्ट नंबर जो होगा वो क्या होगा, एक कम होगा. और दूसरी बात ये है कि जब आप 2 to the power 32 को डिवाइड करते हैं ना, 2 to the power 32 को डिवाइड करते हैं तो 2 पार्ट्स में ये 2 to the power 31 और 2 to the power 31 होगा. और इसके यदि पहली बिट को हम ले तो एक 0 से स्टार्ट होगी और एक 1 से स्टार्ट होगी. सो दैट्स व्हाई दिस नंबर इज 48 up to 48, and this number is because of this first 0, this number is up to this. Okay, so I am using long integer. Long integer will convert its size into double, and the value is -1. Okay. Why this -1 is coming, I really don't know. But let us write the answer in simple integer value. Then it will give you correct. So what is the value? This is 214,740,748. Okay, 3648. So again, this number is overflow. If I am running this, it will give me minus. It will give me minus negative answer. Okay, because the next number is the same number, and if I am writing minus also, the answer will be same. Okay, in minus the answer will be same, even in plus it is just same because it stores the bits value, and that's why this will give you this answer. Okay, and if I am writing 7 and I remove this minus from here, then this answer will be coming, the positive number will be coming. So that is the range restriction of any data. Okay, clear? Now let us move ahead with PowerPoint. So these are the modifiers, access modifiers. Now come to this is the size. Okay, so we have seen the size mathematics, and this is for 16-bit compiler, not for 32-bit compiler. In case of 32-bit compiler, the sizes are double of all the values except this long double. Okay, or we can see the size of long double also. This is LD and size of long double DOUBLE. Okay, and this is simple D because. So what is the answer? 16, and here it says that it is 128 bit. 128 divided by 8, how much it is? 16. So 128 divided by 8 is 16, na? Agree or not?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes. So this is the size of long double. Okay. So how do you calculate? So using this formula, you can calculate size of any. Means if you want to write any number, then you must know that what is the size of long double. If you just put long integer over here, okay, long integer over here, and this value will be 8, then the answer will also come correctly. Answer will also come correctly. No, it will not give you correct answer. In case of the number is just double or multiplied by 2 and plus 1, now this answer will be displayed correctly. Okay. Oh, size is written. So you need to run several programs to understand the value of this, and this is -1 because it overflows the value. And let me check this. Okay, if it is so, I will show you because we need to go for range only. So long integer is also here of 16 byte, but why it is not ever? Okay, this is the reason. LD. Now it will run perfectly. Not running. So it is maybe a problem of compiler, but the answer is correct. Okay, the answer must come in terms of 2 to the power 32 minus 1. Now come to identifier names. मैंने आप लोगों को बता दिया था. There is no problem. Yes. ये एग्जाम्पल भी मैंने बताए थे आपको. ये स्पेसिफायर मैंने आप लोगों को समझा दिया, फॉर्मेट स्पेसिफायर आई हैड एक्सप्लेन्ड और नॉट?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Okay, so whenever you are using format specifier as minus, okay, minus is left justified. Fine. Format specifier minus is left justified, and plus is, and I am taking two numbers here, so you can surely understand the reason of that. Float b equals to point, this is our number, and I put one minus sign over there, okay, and the value of a is this and the value of b is this. B is b, and here because it is integer, so I am using d, and it is not an integer number, so I am using float. Okay, so if we run this program, this works simply, and this will give you the answer whatever written here. Okay, some mistake is there? Error, semicolon, okay, correct. So here you can see that this answer is in zigzag fashion. Means one answer is coming here and another is coming here. Let me write meaningful value. So I am writing meaningful value because it is very big value. Now, if we run this program, again the same problem is coming. So whenever you are writing a number, it must be right justified. It is your expectation. So suppose if you write percent 15D and here also 15.5 F. Okay. So now it will include total number of 15 character from left to right. Okay. Now this will give you more better format. Here you can see that from this place to this place total 15 numbers must be there. Understand or not? Yes. What is the use of this format specifier? So this format specifier is used for whenever we are using with positive number percent 15D. Percent 15D does not means that it is using decimal number of 15 places. It simply means that we need to calculate space from here. We need to calculate total numbers from here. So what is the number? Okay, let us start counting the character. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, and after this 15, what will be the result? Not from this place to 15. Okay, from here actually, let us write some different thing. Then only we will be able to understand. Yes. So from this place to this place, it must be 15. Okay, from this place to this place, not from this place to this place. This place from J to means from here. Whenever I had written this, so one, if I am writing the answer, same answer for you, let us see what will be the answer. I am writing here in code. Okay, output. I am producing the output. So from this place, it will start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And the answer is what? Up to this place, 15 must be counted. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 2, 1, 4, 7, 4. Okay. And now come to this. This is your answer. And this is the value Okay, now count from here. So how many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 10. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5, and followed by this, the answer will be minus 4 7 3 6 4.9894. So this is the way, and one more backspace is there. If you are running this program, then this will be the output like this. Is it correct? You are able to match both the outputs? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So now you are able to understand then how do you manage the characters. So you need to count the characters, and either you need to match the character like is and is, both are equally aligned. Now from this is 15 spaces will be taken, and similarly for lower floating point number, it will take 15 spaces from this place, but the answer is 5 decimal places. Suppose I am writing more number of decimal places, uh, uh, means yes, so it will accept only 5. Okay, so here this is the answer. So this is the use of format specifier for billing software. In earlier days, we need to develop our software using this C program. So format specifier is clear to all of you, and this minus, whenever I am putting minus, it will do why, and ये कब तक नहीं करेगा जब तक कि मैं ऐसा कोई space ना दे दूं. Okay, so let us see, and this will be suppose 6 only. Now it will move that side minus 6 position. Okay, so now the answer will be like this: minus 6 position from right alignment. Total is 6.5. So this is the way, means whatever current position is there, it will move minus 6 places. Fine. So this is the format specifier. Whenever you are creating billing software, then only it will be useful for you. So up to this format specifier is completed. Now these are different format specifier. So here, if you have written decimal number, you know that 77 decimal is equivalent to 77, not 77, 78 is equivalent to no, 64 is equivalent to 100 in octal. If I am putting O over here, okay, O over here, and let this be 15. So what will be the answer? Percent 15 O. I am not writing percent 15 O. I am simply writing percent O, and this is percent F. So what will be the answer? Answer will be 100. Okay, let us see. The value of A is 100. Why this 100 is coming? If you divide it by 8, if you divide it by 8 modulo K division, then it will give you 64 is the 100 is equivalent to 6. Okay. Similarly, if you are writing X, if you are writing small x, then hexadecimal number 100. So this will be F is not coming. If I am writing 30, if I am writing this as 63, then one F will be coming, and let us see the output. Yes, 3F. 3F is the answer for this number. Okay, if you are writing capital X, this will give you answer in capital letters. Okay, so this is 3F. The same answer is there. Percent C, percent E. Percent E will give you answer in scientific notation. Okay, percent E will give you in scientific notation. So this is answer written in e to the power minus 4, or or if you are writing capital E, then it will give you answer in capital E. Okay, e to the power plus 4. If you are going means if you are correcting this, so this is 4.7 into 10 to the power 4, not minus 4. So scientific notation is also completed. Then G is it is not of use because whatever short it is used. Octal is done S. Suppose if I am writing S, then it will display equivalent character to equivalent ASCII character of 63. Okay, so what is equivalent ASCII character of 63 is nothing. Let me write some other number. 123. Okay, again it is blank space. Yes. So percent. Okay, percent as is string actually. Percent C we need to write. So again 63 because percent A is okay. Now I am writing C here. Then it will give you equivalent ASCII character. Okay, so this is equivalent ASCII character question mark. And if I am writing this as 163, then what will be the equivalent ASCII character? So this is our ASCII character. Okay, and let me show you some special characters also. One 178 is this character. Okay, 178. So let us see the use of 178. 178, and now see the answer. Here one big. This is coming correct or not? Yes. Any doubt related with this format specifier now? So this is 178 actually, and if you see the value of 178, it is big number. And if you want to calculate some other, like if you want to print a smiley also, so smiley is given or not, I don't know. Smiley is not given. Otherwise, I may be able to show you smiley also. Yes, it is not given. Okay. Yes. So this is all about escape character. Now, and not escape characters. So we have seen most of them, and we will use remaining in future. Okay. Now come to escape sequence. So escape sequences are special sequences. If I am writing B over here, okay, many B's. So many B's I had written here. So what will be the output? It will backspace. Whatever answer is there, you can see that the answer, what is coming. The value of A is, answer ये होना चाहिए कि the value of A is 178 or the character, but it is, what it is doing? It is backspacing the value. And how many backspaces are there? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it will 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7. So up to is, it will be taken by, even up to A it is taken by the system. So this is slash B. Now come to next character slash F. If I am writing slash F, okay, if I am writing, instead of writing slash B, I am writing slash F, and I had written 2 times slash F, what will be the answer? It will give you male or female symbol, but it is form feed. Okay, it is used for form feed. So here you can see that female symbol is given 178 followed by 2 female symbol. And now after that, if I am writing R, if I am writing R and this as F, then you can see the value R, F and T also. I'm writing T, not T is not there. V also. And this must special character. I had written 3 skip sequences. Okay, you can see the value of all these. I had written 3 skip sequences. First one is written, so it will deleted the entire line, entire first line. Okay, due to this R symbol, it will delete this line. Due to this F, I had already shown you that form feed will give you female symbol and slash V will give you the male symbol. Okay, so this is female symbol, this is male symbol. So this is the way you can use escape sequences. Now, one more symbol is there, that is A. And yes. Now, if I am running this program, you are able to listen one alert symbol. Okay, like one SMS is coming or one message is coming. Have you heard this symbol? Music?
Yes, sir.
One alert sound is coming. Okay, so this is, and if you are writing 0, then it will delete entire line. Okay, this will also delete the entire line. Here you can see that first one is coming, but second line is not coming. Okay, so these are the use of special symbols, and whenever whatever remaining is there, it will coming in programming session of next. So with this, we finish these special characters. Now you can ask any question up to this point. Any doubt till now? No doubt. So let us now start with next topic. Increment or decrement operator. Last time we have hanged on minus minus A is working correctly, but whenever we are writing A minus minus plus A minus minus, so for this purpose, there is another solution. There is another solution. If the value of A is given like this, let us understand what is the meaning of this. Suppose A's value is 5 and B's value is 1. Then in this statement, it will increment or it will decrement. Let me write increment operator first. Plus plus A and plus plus B plus plus. Okay. In this particular line, it will increment first, Okay. Increment first, then print later. And here in this case, it will print first because B is coming first, and then it will perform operation. And here also it will give you updated value. So let us see, if initial value of A is 5 and initial value of B is 1, then what will be the answer? So here you can see that the answer is, corresponding answer is, the value of A is 6. Why? Because it has performed operation first and then give output. Okay. In next case, it has give the updated value of A. Here it is printing the value of B first and then give then perform increment. Okay. So this is the answer. Now come to a specific topic, special topic. If integer X and Y will be taken, X and Y will be taken. Okay. And now let me write X equals to A plus plus. This is our first parameter, and Y equals to A plus plus. Okay, so what will be the answer over this? Here also I am printing A and B. This will print A and B, and this will print X and Y. So it will give you more clarity in running the program. Okay, what is the problem here? I am using X equals to A plus plus and Y equals to B plus plus, not A plus plus. Now you can see that initial value of A, uh, yes. So what will be the value here? What is the answer? X will return 5 and B will return, means Y will return. Yes, tell me. Because if I am speaking only, then you won't be able to understand anything. Just tell me what is the answer here. Is this correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Correct. And what is the answer here? Here it will give you 6 and it will give you 2. Okay. So let me run this program to finish this. Is this program work correctly? मैंने जैसा बोला वैसे ही आया, x की वैल्यू 5 आई. So this is known as post increment operator. Post increment operator सबसे पहले वैल्यू असाइन करता है. It will assign value before doing any operation, performance of any operation, and it will increment, means it will give its value, it will retain its value and then increment into value. Okay, now let us see if I am writing plus plus a. Okay, if I am writing plus plus a and if I am also writing plus plus b, so now you can see that the value of x will be 6 and value of b will be y will be 2. Okay, and similarly here also 6 and 2 will come, here also 6 and 2 will come. So let us run this program once again. Is this understandable to you, all of you?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct. Okay, so because last time we have executed plus plus a, so it was not recommended by my mentors also. I had talked about the issue, so they told me that don't explain such kind of thing which gives you confusion. Okay, and confusion with confuse to others also. So I had written and I had seen the literatures also, so they have explained all these things, and later on I will finding the reason, correct reason. If I am writing this plus plus a plus a, it will give you 12. Okay, it will give you not it will give you, yes, it will give you 12
14.
or 14 will be
14,
the answer.
yes, sir. 14.
Yes. So this is 14. Fine. So be careful. Post increment will do all the increment first and finally it will give you output. Okay, it will give you output. So for this purpose stack organization is there. So this organization is there in data structure. So let us understand this only, that this will be the fine. So with this, we have finished the increment and decrement operator. Any other questions? So, transition slideshow. Just I am showing you a very small thing. Just try to understand it. Okay. So these are the symbols of operator. Pre-increment operator is before operator, before operand, and post increment operator is after operand. So likewise, increment and decrements are working in same fashion. And this is one example of pre-increment. So already seen here, this is example of post increment. All these examples except decrement we have not shown, so you can do it by yourself. Fine. And I am pasting this program for modification of any purpose to your group, WhatsApp group. Okay, so you just need to perform all these things and just ask me question about whatever you are not getting. So this is also simple thing, plus plus x and plus plus y. The main thing is that here we need to follow the answer of this question. So L is given as I plus plus J plus plus K. So what will be the result? Okay, so let me solve this. I will take 1 more minute for this example. Integer I equals to 4. For clarity, I am using in each lines J equals to 5 and integer K equals to 6, and we need to follow solve L, integer L. Just for sake of clarity, I had written this. Okay, now the value of L is I plus J plus K. Now what will be the answer? I plus is 4, J plus is 5, and plus K is 7. So 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 7, 16. So let us see whether the answer is 16 or something else. So the answer is 16. Here it is very clear, because if we use once a particular value, then it will work fine. Okay. And this is a special kind of thing, so I will show you later on, and this also. So up to this I think sufficient, and I will show remaining example related with different operators are also there. So if you have, now this is final call for a doubt. If you have any doubt, you can ask. And it is requested that and it is expected that all of you are solving the problem, all of you running the problem, because you cannot check the problem, you cannot say the problem by running in paper, because in running in paper we have already means हम लोगों का answer already वो जो है wrong आ चुका है, because we are running in paper. So don't run in paper. There are some concepts, other concepts also, so better to try it with your compiler, then you will only be able to understand the answer. So let me conclude this class. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Have a nice time. Okay.